Look, I don't care what you're driving right now, because what I'm about to show you is the kind of car that makes grown men stop dead in their tracks and just stare. This is the 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark III, and I'm going to be completely honest with you. I did not expect Lincoln to come back swinging like this. This thing looks like it crawled straight out of 1972, and then hit the gym, went to college, and came back wearing a $150,000 suit. The proportions, the chrome, the presence, I mean, come on! This is what American luxury is supposed to look like. Let's start at the front, because that grille alone deserves its own video. Lincoln went full maximalist here. A massive vertical chrome grille, flanked by quad-halo LED headlights on each side. 4 rings per corner. That's 8 rings staring back at you. And rising from the hood is the classic Lincoln Star ornament, illuminated, standing tall like it owns the road. Because it does. From the side, this car is long. We're talking full-size American coupe proportions. Long hood, short rear deck, massive chrome wire spoke wheels that look like they belong on a yacht. The roofline is a formal vinyl half-top in gloss black, with a little porthole window at the C-pillar. Pure 70s DNA, reborn in 2026. The body is sculpted, but still boxy in all the right ways. No soft jelly bean curves here. Clean, sharp, dramatic. Out back, this is where it gets cinematic. A full-width LED light bar runs edge to edge, and right in the center sits the Lincoln Star badge. Gold, glowing, centered on the trunk, like a crown jewel. One version even brings back the Continental spare tire hump on the trunk lid, which is maybe the most iconic design detail in American automotive history. And they had the guts to bring it back. The word Continental is spelled out in chrome block letters across the rear fascia. No logo needed. The name is the brand. Now step inside and prepare yourself. Because Lincoln did not come here to play. The dashboard is a masterclass in retro-modern design. A horizontal walnut burl wood panel stretches the full width of the dash, and embedded right in the center is a widescreen infotainment display that blends so naturally into the wood, you almost don't see it until you look. Classic analog gauges sit in the driver's pod. The steering wheel is wrapped in two-tone cognac and cream leather, with Lincoln Star right in the center. Seats are quilted diamond-stitched leather in a two-tone cognac and champagne combination. The kind of leather that makes you want to cancel your plans and just sit here. The floor is deep pile carpet. Chrome surrounds everywhere. Ambient lighting underneath the dash. This is first class in the air. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Rumors say Lincoln is planning a twin-turbocharged V8, producing somewhere around 450 horsepower, paired with rear-wheel drive and an air suspension system that lets this thing float over the road like a cloud. There's also talk of a hybrid variant down the line, because even American luxury has to answer to the future. As for price, expect this to start somewhere between $120,000 and $160,000 when it finally drops. And the competition? Cadillac Celestiq, Rolls-Royce Ghost, Bentley Flying Spur. Yes, Lincoln is going there. And honestly, based on everything we're seeing in these renders, they might just pull it off. The 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark III, America's answer to the finest cars in the world. Drop a comment below. Are you ready for Lincoln to be back at the top? And if this video hit different, hit that subscribe button, because we got a lot more coming.